Hi, welcome to Foodie Friday. I'm Miss Wendy, and it's that time of year where you just want to hunker down and it's chilly out. So maybe have a game night. Or maybe you'll snuggle in for the night and watch a movie. Or maybe you'll snuggle up with a book. Buddy the Elf. What's your favorite color? Ha! That line makes me giggle. That's from my favorite movie, Elf. Yeah, so today is answer the phone like Buddy the Elf. So, you know what? He's playful, he's fun. And for this Foodie Friday, I wanted to be able to be playful and fun. So, adding on to the twist of food, well, another favorite of mine from Buddy the Elf, we elves stick to the four main food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corn, and syrup. Do you remember that? No, Miss Wendy isn't going to make you make spaghetti and pour it in a Ziploc bag with maple syrup and Smarties and all kinds of crazy stuff. If you see the movie, you'll remember what I was talking about. At any rate, something fun that I like to do is just make something special out of an event. So if we have a game night or movie night, I might end up taking out some special stuff like this. Check it out. So, believe it or not, these jars were repurposed. I made them kind of special looking with some marshmallows and peppermints and chocolate chips. Oh, there's my Frosty mug. So yeah, we're gonna have a hot cocoa bar, and it's pretty easy to do. You can either go very easy peasy and grab an instant cocoa packet and just doll up some treats to top them, like I showed you. Or you can even take from this recipe, let me cheat here, crock pot hot cocoa recipe. 5 cups of milk, a half a cup of unsweetened Hershey's cocoa powder, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of hot water. You mix those up on a stove and let them cook at medium heat. And after you do that, get a gentle boil going. And then you'll carefully dump that into a crock pot, and you just leave that plugged in, and everybody can just ladle just the amount of hot cocoa that they want. It's really great to have sticking around on the counter with your friends while you have fun playing a game, watching a movie, or what have you. I did want to point out, now these jars, they look pretty fancy, don't they? I have to tell you something that I did. So imagine, if you will, it had a top to it. It came in a grocery store, and yes, it had artichoke hearts in it. Isn't that crazy? You'd never be able to guess it. But what I did is I repurposed this jar because you know what? They are really handy to have these jars. I use them for experiments. I use them to do just this. Whenever I have some sort of a fancy bar that I want to set up for my Foodie Fridays with my family, I can use these really great clear jars. And really simple. All you have to do is take the label off. It can be a little sticky. I kind of soak it a little bit, and a little bit of elbow grease to kind of scrub-a-dub-dub that greasy, kind of sticky sticker off of it. I just throw the top out and let it air dry, and really, yep, my marshmallows are just fine. So really, you can have lots of fun setting up any kind of a special little event with your hot cocoa bar for this week's Foodie Friday, where you can have some fun at your game night and have it all set up to go. Check it out. Have a great time with your family this winter and make it a special event anytime. So you can make your hot cocoa bar special in your own way. Look around your house and you can find different kinds of containers to hold any kind of toppings for your hot cocoa. Even add a little dollop of whipped cream. So your next game night, movie night, or what have you, when you hunker down for the cold winter, have some fun with a hot cocoa bar.